Hey everyone, this is our introduction lesson into transformations. Kind of a fun assignment. It starts off with a box, and what we want you to do is play around with it. See how you have each of these dots? We want you to go ahead and move them around and create something kind of fun. They can go anywhere you want. Spend some time just playing around with this, looking how these go. Don't do the same one as me. Try to be creative and do something different, but I'm just gonna stretch these out like this. And then let's see, we'll go a little crooked. Yeah, I don't know. So after you've done this and had a chance to play around and make a shape, and again, you can make anything you want. See how creative you can be with this. Then in the next slide is really where this assignment is going. You're going to have this play button and it's going to do something, and we're asking you to describe what's happening. And that's what these transformation lessons will be for the next 2 weeks. So we just saw that happen, right? Can you describe in words what you just saw? Let's play that again and try and articulate what happened. What did that just do? And so in here is where we're going to want to see your description. And anything you write will be good with me. And I'm going to say, the object did what? So I gave you a list of words in the assignment. You can use these. Did it slide? Is that what it did? Did it glide, shift, move, slip, spin, rotate, twist, twirl? One of these words, it did these. And then you don't have to use these words, but these might help you to think what's going on. And then even more, can you ask yourself, by how much did it do it? How much did it slide or glide, or how much did it rotate by or flip or reflect? And so that's all I want in here is just to write some words, a sentence for me or two. Let's take a look at the next one. And these next 3 slides just do different things. So what happens in this one? All right, well, it does something completely different. And again, I posted words that you can draw from if you're having troubles figuring out what's going on. You might find some of these words. And then let's look at the last one. And that does something also completely different. This does some multiple things. Let's play that again. Notice how it did something there and it did something there. And again, tell me, the object did what? And then use some of these words to describe it. These next ones are just for fun if you want to. They're different kaleidoscopes. And you ask yourself, wow, so what is this doing? And just play around with these to get a feel. These are all different types of transformations. Just kind of an introductory lesson that we're doing, and a lot of fun. So I look forward to see the images you come up with and the descriptions that you come up with. All right, have fun with this.